South Coast Plaza, the best mall ever. Today. These Hello Kitty bags are so cute too. Look at how cute they are. But wouldn't it be better if it was red instead of the blue? Look at this little precious baby. Oh my gosh. I look disgusting today. My outfit of the day, Pilates. I have to wear socks for my workout, so I'm wearing socks with slides. My leggings, literally a sweater tied around my waist, and an ugly athletic shirt like I look like. Look at this cob. That is the perfect cob. And the perfect burger, veggie burger. Yum. Let me see. I just got the cutest little Fendi bag. I'll show you guys in the car so I can do an actual unboxing. I'm so excited. Do we like hair? Oh my god, I was like, do we like hair down? That's so bad. I need to chop my hair, I think. I think I'm gonna cut it like this short again. Like take off that much. That's a lot. I don't know. Let's not get into that right now. Okay, so I have so much to talk to you guys about. I just want to sit down and talk to you guys. I never do videos like that really. To have a little haul, like unboxing, not haul. Unboxing for you guys. I don't splurge all the time on luxury items, but I do love Fendi, and so I have a little unboxing that I'd love to share with you. Okay, I'm gonna go out tonight and I want to vlog. I'm going out with Amber. Let me FaceTime her.
I can't see you.
Oh, it's my Wi-Fi.
It says poor connection.
So annoying. Do you know what you're gonna wear tonight?
No fucking clue.
I'm annoyed because like I want to be cute and I feel like everything I tried on, like I look like I'm...
I think I'm gonna curl my hair.
I have to fix my hair. It's like disgusting.
I know, mine's so dirty too.
Ugh, so much work.
It's like I need like an hour and a half, 2 hours to get ready.
I'm gonna start to get ready right now.
Okay.
Love you.
Alright, I love you. I'll see you soon.
Okay, bye. Let's get right into this unboxing. I hate myself so much. I've had my eye on this for a long time and I finally pulled the trigger and got it. Here we have a dust bag. It's like, okay, cool. But I'm so excited about this. How cute is this clutch? It's like a 3 pouch on a ring that has a big F for Fendi. And you can hold it like this. Like this is how I'm gonna hold it when I go out. I'll like post so many pictures, I'm sure, on Instagram. But it has the pastel colors. It's like gray and then pastel pink and like a muted powder pink. It's like kind of, I don't know if it's gonna read on camera the right color, but it's just like a very pastel, like perfect for spring, summer, which is like what we're entering right now. So I never wear silver, but I have these cute silver Givenchy heels that I might wear that'll like match it, because like usually I wear gold, like gold necklace, gold earrings, gold jewelry, like gold, but it's fun to mix metals. But yeah, this is it, and I've had my eye on it. You can store, like, let's just say just your phone in here. Actually, I haven't tested this out at all, or like even see what fits where. Okay, I was like, maybe this one for your phone. It like totally doesn't fit. So obviously that one for your ID and like card holder or something small. This one for your phone and like your main stuff. Whoa, that like barely fits my phone. I didn't even try this at the store. Kind of stupid of me. It definitely fits your phone, this one. So then this one will be card holder, cash, lip gloss, like little things. And then this is like the main one. So I don't know. When I go out, I don't carry very many things. I'm trying to think what I would even need in there. Like, because card holder, cash, and ID and stuff in here, phone in here. That's like my main stuff when I have like a little bag. And the colors are pretty. It's just like such a cute, fun piece because it's different. Like, I love unique things that are just fun and different. And I thought this was like a fun concept. And you can take, like, if I didn't want the big one on there, I could just take this one off and just wear the 2 little ones. If I wanted to only have one, then I could do that. But I think there's something pretty about wearing all 3 different colors. Like, I don't know. See, like you can pick whatever outfit you're wearing, like whatever goes, and just wear that. I'm gonna wear this tonight when I go out with Amber. to dinner, and we never, like, I never go out to like super bougie restaurants anymore. Like, I feel like I used to do that, and I'm excited because it's like a place I've never been to. So we're gonna go have dinner. I'll check in with you guys when I'm on my way. Okay, outfit of the night. I'm wearing one of my favorite jumpsuits. It's all lacy, and it's like, okay, so it's a jumpsuit, but it kind of looks like a dress when I have my legs together. It has ruffles on it, and I'm just wearing a black bralette that's kind of like a big bralette, so it's more covered. And yeah, it's like, my heels are Givenchy, they're silver, and they match my clutch, which has the silver big Fendi, and I'm wearing the Fendi necklace bracelet that Amber got me. And yeah, ready for dinner.
Are you wearing my hair straight?
Let's go.
What do you like for dinner?
Exclusive. Off the menu.
Secret menu, VIP only.
My mom just texted me, so that's my love life. So much food. I heard that.
Really?
How is it, Amber?
Delicious.
This smells spicy. And I'm afraid. Should I go all in like I did? Is it? Mm-hmm. It is. See, so was mine. It was so hot.
Guys, like every 1 in 10 of these peppers is spicy, and so far me and Jazmin both got spicy ones.
It was really hot.
But it goes away fast. Like have a chug of water and it will go away. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So yummy, you guys.
We got the same thing. We did. Peppers in the middle. So good. 10 out of 10. Everything. I'm like,
Yeah?
it's like a strawberry shortcake, but better. So here I go.
how is it? After our 10-course meal. Food baby. Hold your hand. Amber. Who's the dad? I'm literally just sitting here in bed editing, and I realized I didn't film an outro / ending to this video, but I just want to jump on, say thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. Let me know if you want more unboxings, if you want like traditional YouTube fashion videos like hauls and unboxings. I can do those for you guys. I just never want to come across as like braggy or like that kind of a channel. I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see. Comment down below. I'm working really hard on Closet Raid episodes, so those are coming very, very soon. And I will see you guys next week.